जय हिंद एवरीवन। मुझे याद है इसको देहरादून में सेंटर पे जब साइक के सेशन के बाद बिकॉज पता चल जाता है बच्चों में स्पार्क लेवल क्या है, तो इसको एक्स्ट्रा जो डाउट्स थे कुछ क्वेश्चंस में पीआईक्यू में, तो आई स्पेंड टाइम टिल 9:30। हर सिंसियरिटी लेवल, डेडिकेशन, सी वॉज वेरी सिंसियर थ्रू आउट द ट्रेनिंग। एक एक सेशन को उसने डेडिकेटेड तरीके से लिया। कई बार मॉर्निंग से लेके लेंदी सेशंस होते हैं, कई बार वेट करना पड़ता है, बट 21 डेज सी एंजॉयड इट एंड उसको बेस्ट यूटिलाइज इसने किया। जिसको हमने यहाँ रिकमेंड किया, सेलेक्ट किया, क्लास में कई बार मल्टीपल टाइम मैंने बोला, इसकी टीएटी के फीडबैक के बाद बोला, इसको याद भी होगा, बताया भी होगा आपसे कि फीडबैक के बाद मैंने तुरंत बोला था कि यस टीएटी क्लियर है, साइक कोई नहीं रोक पाएगा।
After the fourth attempt, the fifth one was successful. So it was a quite hard work and the guidance of the Centurion Academy. The Centurion, it was the best that I was provided over there. The repeated OI tests were there that helped me. I got almost similar questions that I practiced in the Centurion and got the same over my OI test in the SSB board. And for the psychology test, Shashi sir guided me the most. To be honest, the Shashi sir just as he said, trust the process. So you just need to do that only. The everything, the things they guided me na. The things I was doing the quite hard work earlier, but it was not paying off. So according to me, the smart work that is required along the hard work, that whole faculty helped me in that. And secondly, the Amit sir, the GT1, he was the one motivated me the most. He always used to say me, you will look nice in the fighter jet uniform. And whenever I used to perform my task, now I still remember his words. The uniform is waiting for me. And even the Vasu sir, the interview I got for the practice over here was quite hard. And a similar thing the Samir sir told us. But the more harsh the interviewer is on you, na, he want to select you. And the Raniti book. Even in the last 20 minutes before the psychology test, I just go through the Raniti book. That helped in the most. As it is updated day to after the regular period of time, you should follow it strictly. And that are the actually bonus points or the bonus key terms that you will get from there. That's all. Anything you all want to ask?
Actually, my question was, according to you,
Okay.
what was your weak point you thought that it could be improved?
According to me, in my first time when I got screen out, conference out,
yeah.
and that according to me, my psychology was not that good.
Okay.
My stories were quite childish.
Okay.
As my Shishi sir told, it should be good. Mother, you are the hero of the movie. You have to create the drama, or you have to put the actions, and the plus point you have to put the emotions to get the bonus points.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Anything about day-to-day life you want to ask?
I would like to ask, do you feel any difference in all the SSBs you have did?
Actually, I got screen only in the one. After that, continuously I was getting the screen out. So yeah, it was the experience after screen out because you have to be motivated. Even though I had gone through the, I only think I want to ask that there are a number of the candidates coming over there. It's very good if you are able to make it in the first attempt, but not lose your confidence. Because लोग कहते हैं ना written entries से जाओ, उसके ज़्यादा से I got screen out even in the written entries. But it was quite trauma for me for the first 2 days. But you have to overcome because it's not the result. You can't stop over there.
As you have experienced many of your SSBs, then how you introspect yourself? Everyone say you should introspect to get what you're doing mistakes, what are your mistakes. Then what is the process of doing introspection? First step, what is the first step of introspection?
First of all, right now, the point of disappointment, where you feel, the point of disappointment, how better, then compare, there is always a person you can compare with. How he or she is better than you. Now, what is your actual level? How can you make it the better? So, according to me, that's the best way. अपने पर्सनैलिटी के अकॉर्डिंग देखना है. अगर इंस्पेक्शन करना भी तुम कैसा कर सकते हो. ऐसा नहीं तुम्हारी पर्सनैलिटी ये तुम लेवल ये लेकर चल रही हो. तुम्हारी पर्सनैलिटी ये तुम इस लेवल के भी बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हो. ऐसा नहीं होता. तुम इमेजिनेशन वर्ड में मत जाओ कभी भी. अगर मैं ऐसा करूँगी तो ही अच्छा होगा.
Thank
That's-
you.
Even though that's the thing that helped me a lot in my interview. Mother, I was not able to clear CDS that twice. So my interview was not quite harsh on me. What is your level? Mother, you are not able to clear. Mother, just I was not able to clear. But it's not the thing where I can end. I have to do the more hard work. So just मतलब अपने आप को जितना हो ना अपने आप को पहचानो. Be fair to yourself and what the interview office is going to see.
First of all, many more congratulations for your achievement, ma'am.
Thank you.
I want to ask question regarding the WAT test. We got 15 seconds to write a sentence, but I am not able to write as much productive sentence. We are writing like normal sentences. So how we can improve it?
According to me, it is totally practice. In the starting, even I was not able to write all the answers. If I was able to just आधे छूट रहे हैं आधे लिख रहे हैं वो practice है. Practice will make you perfect.
Thank you.
मतलब ऐसा होता है when you are not able to write the answers in time मतलब उन words को लो एक्स्ट्रा बाद के मतलब उनको अच्छे से सेंटेंस बना लो मतलब एक बार अच्छे से सेंटेंस बन गए तुम लिखने मुश्किल नहीं होगे तुम्हारे लिए सर ने बताया ये सब कुछ क्लासेस में बताते हैं
मैम मैं ये पूछना चाहती हूँ जैसे आपकी जो रिकमेंडेशन है वो एनसीसी स्पेशल एंट्री के थ्रू है तो इसके लाइक अराउंड आपने जब भी जीटीयू का आपका आउटडोर सेशन था मतलब जो वहाँ पे टेस्ट हुआ उसमें और नॉर्मल जीटीयूज़ में कोई डिफरेंस होता है लाइक लेवल अप होता है या नॉर्मल होता है ऐसे
नॉट एट ऑल इफ यू मतलब द लेवल द वे अमित सर मेड मी प्रैक्टिस दे वर क्वाइट इजी फॉर मी ओवर देयर the final group task was there it is for the 30 minutes and to be honest अमित सर हमेशा बोलते हैं मतलब एक ग्रुप होता है जैसे साथ हमारा मेरा ग्रुप 7 जनों का था उसमें कुछ होते हैं हेड्स कुछ टेल्स सर ने बोला था हमेशा ट्राई टू बी इन द हेड्स जो आइडिया इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं जो टेल्स में होता है ना मतलब तुम वहाँ पर स्ट्रक्चर पे नहीं हो पर वो बता दे तुम कैसे पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो तो ऐसे मतलब when we were doing our final group task na I was in the heads and we were able to complete it only in the 5 minutes so it was a quite good thing so yes
मीन्स देयर इज नो डिफरेंस लाइक एनसीसी एंट्री वाला जो जीटीओ ग्राउंड है और नॉर्मल एंट्री वाले में दोनों में जीटीओ आउटडोर सेम ही होगा
no the centers are same the GTOs are same
ओके
yeah
नहीं एज यू आर एनसीसी स्टूडेंट जो फिजिकली बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव होते हैं तो उनसे कुछ ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं या बस नॉर्मल वही होता है सेम लेवल
not in the type of GTO but yeah in the kind discipline the leadership and the qualities they see more
ओके थैंक यू
Sister, can you tell us about your experience in GD?
in the group discussion actually I was the most not the dominant active participant during my coaching over there but the experience over there was quite different to be honest the girls were the most dominant but yeah you are made aware there is not only the times of their manner and the matter but I was hardly able to participate thrice 3 or 4 times over there but whenever I was speaking I was making sure that whatever I'm speaking have the content and the quality inside it मतलब ऐसे नहीं मतलब तुम्हें कोई पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं तुम ऐसे मतलब हलचल हो रहे तुम्हारे फेस पर दिख रहा है ये मैनर और मैटर दोनों मैटर करता है